Today, I want to show you a simple but powerful time-saving feature in Blender, the Quick Favorites menu. If you often use the same tools like modifiers, origin to geometry, or say applying rotation and scale, this lets you access them instantly with one keystroke. It's a simple trick that can seriously speed up your workflow by cutting out all those extra clicks. I'll show you how to set it up, and I'll share a few of my go-to features that keep my workflow fast and efficient. So without further ado, let's dive in. All right, so we have a new window open here, and in order to access the quick shortcuts menu, all you will need to do is press Q on your keyboard and you will have all of your quick favorites in here. And so let's go to how we will add them to yours. To start adding features to your quick favorites, I'm going to add one that I usually use, which is the bevel modifier. To use the bevel modifier, usually what you do is you would go here, add modifier, click, bevel, and that's it. What we're going to do instead is we will go back to modifier, search, and then we will right click, and then you'll see here add to quick favorites. Just click that. And then now, whenever you'd like to use the bevel modifier in the future, it's as easy as pressing Q. It's here at the bottom and bevel. Let us say I would like to remove a feature from my quick favorites. It's as simple as hitting Q again. Let's say I would like to remove the subdivision surface at the bottom here. I will right click, remove from quick favorites, and there you go, it's no longer there. Quick favorites also works with features that you'll find up here in the menu. A good example is setting origin to geometry. So for example, let's say we move this cube over to here. Obviously the origin is all over here right now. We would usually go to object, set origin, origin to geometry. But because it's in my quick favorites now, I can easily access it by just hitting Q, origin to geometry, and boom, nice and easy. One of the best parts about quick favorites is that it works across all modes. So let's go into edit mode to demonstrate. I'll go into edit mode and I will, for example, if I want to mark the seam here, let's zoom in, I can click it and then I can just hit Q and mark seam. Stuff like this will save you a few clicks in the end. For example, with marking seam, you'd have to click this, go to UV, mark seam. Instead, all you can do is just click, Q, and mark seam. Another thing that I like about it is, for example, in sculpt mode, just go here. I admittedly don't do much sculpting, but when I do, I have my mostly used brushes here. It's not much, but it's just saved me a bit of time. That is all for today's quick tips. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I would definitely recommend giving the quick shortcuts menu a try in your own projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.